this is your teaching tutorial for Ghosts and Ghouls. Sorry, I'm just adjusting my microphone. Okay. The things that we have to watch in this piece is, right here it says the technique is lava keys. Lava keys is where if this is the piano key, you pluck. Like almost like you're pulling a rubber band. You're just going to pluck away. They call it lava keys because it's hot like lava. You just pull away the fingers really fast. There's no wrist movement or arm movement. It's just the fingers. So there's lots of staccatos in this. There's also changes in dynamics. It's piano and then it goes to forte. Also, there are changes from staccato right here, and then this slur means to play legato and smooth. That's tricky. Another thing to watch, look, all these are quarter notes. So we're going along like quarter notes. Then all of a sudden there's eighth notes. We need to do those fast, then back to quarter notes. So here's a playthrough and try to pay attention to all those things.